Today I'm making a super quick cake that I have about 30 minutes to make. And then an hour for it to cool down as guests are coming, starting right away. Here I have a ready-made cream filling for 12 cakes. Pouring the content into a bowl. Instead of this cream, you can also use pudding that doesn't need mixing. Here I'm adding 700 milliliters of milk, even though the package says 800. Now we mix everything together. The whole mixture should look like this. Now let's make the second part. We take another bowl and pour 500 milliliters of cream. I'm using a plant-based one, already sweetened. Now we mix it as well. The cream should be mixed to a lighter consistency. Since this filling is already starting to thicken, we add the cream little by little and mix everything together. Now that everything is mixed, take a spoon or spatula and mix gently at the bottom to ensure nothing remains unmixed. Now after mixing, this is the base. You can add anything you like to this. For this occasion, I'm adding chocolate bananas. I've gathered some leftovers, some wrapped, some unwrapped, doesn't matter. I'll also be adding real bananas to the mix. If you're making this cake for the next day, sprinkle the bananas with some lemon juice to prevent them from darkening. Now gently mix everything. Be careful not to overmix so the chocolate doesn't break. It should look like this. You don't have to mix it fully. When placed on the ladyfingers, it will spread out nicely. Next, I take ladyfingers, dip them briefly in milk, and lay them in the pan. I will use almost 2 packs of sponge cakes for one layer. I placed exactly 2 packs for the bottom layer. And now, I will spread the entire filling over them. I pour more milk into the bowl, dip the sponge cakes, and make 2 more layers. 2 layers, I mean 2 packs. And that's it. In total, I used 400 grams. As far as I'm concerned, the cake is done. I'll let it chill well and maybe decorate it before serving. Watch this challenge video next and have a great day.